Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about moles. You must have noticed human body have a different type of moles on it. Like sometimes it is a black color mole, sometimes it is red and blue color moles. From the moles, you can predict about the person's life. You can get to know about the love life, health and the finances of the person. Not only this, you will get to know about the personality trend of that person. So in this video, I'm going to deeply discuss about the moles. Let's talk about the moles on the face. You must have noticed people have the mole on below the right eye or on the nose. If the person have a mole below the right eye or on the right side of the nose, this indicates a person is very emotional, very sensitive and very much attached to their love. People wear their heart on their sleeves. These people are literally very secretive and understanding them is really difficult for the other person. If the mole is below the left side of the eye, this indicates that the partner is very possessive towards their life partner. They can do anything to keep their partner their side. It is seen that sometimes these people are trapped or sometimes they may kill someone to make sure that their partner is at their side. Get little aggressive in the pursuit of the love, and it is seen that these people face a lot of problem and the differences in their relationship because of their aggressive and over possessive nature. If you are a boy and you have a mole below your right eye or on the right eye, that means you have unconditional love for your life partner. You will cherish your life partner the most in the world and you will do anything for their happiness. If the person have a mole on the eyelashes, on either side of the eyelashes, that indicates that the person will be very intelligent. These people face a lot of setbacks in their life, but with their own hard work, with their own intelligence, they will get a lot of success in their life. It is seen in the starting phase of the life is really difficult for them. They will be going to face a lot of setbacks and the struggles in the life, but gradually and slowly they started getting a lot of success in this is for the male. But if you want to check for the female, if the girl have the mole below the left side of the eyes or on the left side of the nose, this indicates that the person will be very attracted, very attached to their loved one. These people are very emotional, very sentimental, and they really love helping others. Mole on the forehead means if the person have a mole on the forehead or the other side of the forehead, that indicates in the starting the person will be going to get a lot of setbacks, a lot of problems in the life, but after the age of 40 these people get a lot of success in the life. Mole on the forehead indicates that the person is very gentle, very peaceful and a very intelligent person. Mole is on the right side of the head. This indicates that the person is very money minded, very business minded and very intelligent when it comes to the business or making money. If the mole is on the left side of the forehead, that indicates that the person will be selfish and always be very much concerned about themselves. Mole in between the eyebrows, that indicates that these person are born leader and they will perform normal in their career. On the left side of the eyebrows indicates that the person have a problem of illusion. They keep on making stories in their mind. They got panic very easily and they have lot of fears in their life. If the mole is on the right side of the eyebrows, this indicates a person's love life and the married life will be very good. They will be going to get the true love of their life. If you have a mole on the cheeks, that represent that you are very attractive and you are financially blessed. You will be going to get money easily in your life if you have a black mole. But if you have a red mole on your cheeks, that represent lot of struggles and lot of setbacks in your life, overall life. That indicates a person will not have a good married life as well as they are not financially blessed. Mole on the center of your nose, this indicates that the person will be very disciplined, but these people struggle a lot in their life. They face a lot of ups and downs in their life and they have a problem of anger and they are short tempered also. The mole is below the nose, that indicates that people around them are too much attracted towards them. They love them around, but they don't like socializing and they try to be isolated. Mole above the lips, that indicates that the person is very romantic, but these people have a very fickling mind. Due to the fickling mind, they are never serious in their love relationship and there is no stability which is seen in the love relationship. They keep on changing their partner. There is a mole on either side of the palm, that indicates that the person is financially blessed. But if you have a mole on any of the mount on your palm, that indicates you will struggle a lot. Like If you have a mole on your Venus mount, that means that you are going to struggle a lot in your love life, and getting things in your life is not easy. You will be going to get setbacks in every part of your life. If you have a mole on your Jupiter mount, that means that luck will be not your side. You have to do a lot of hard work to get success, and this indicates to marriage also. If you have a mole below your Saturn mount, that indicates that you have to do lot hard work, and it indicates a bad health also. If you have a mole on your Sun mount, it indicates the bad rumors about you, and you will be not getting the name, fame and success easily in your life. If you have a mole on your Mercury mount, that means you are going to take a very fast decisions. You are going to take very wrong decisions, due to which afterward you will regret. If you have a mole on your Moon mount, that indicates that you will always feel like isolated, and you will not able to share your emotions with others. If you have a mole on the sole of your foot, that indicates you are going to live away from your home, and you will be going to get a lot of success after the age of 32. Before 32, you are going to get a lot of setbacks and the problems in life, but after 32, you are going to get a lot of success in your life with your own hard work. Mole on the chest represent the person has to face a lot of problems in their family life and the love life, and the chances of accidents are also high. But mole on the backside represent that the person will be going to get a lot of success in his life. Mole on the stomach indicates that the person will be financially blessed, but the person will be going to face a lot of problem health wise. Mole on either side of the ear represent that person will be having a luxurious life, will get things easily in their life. If a person have a mole on the neck, that indicates that the person is very good in art and creativity, but mentally the person will not be so good. Mole is on the shoulder, that indicates a person will be going to get responsibility in the early age, but these people are very intelligent. Left side of the arm, if there is a mole, that indicates that these person are very lazy and they want the luxurious life. They want everything in their hand. They don't want to do any type of hard work in their life. Mole on any of the fingers represent that the person will be faithful, loyal and good in savings. This person will be getting money whenever he required. See, these people get easy money in their life. If on your right thighs there is a mole, that represent the person is fearless, very courageous, and person will be going to get a lot of success in their life. Mole on the left thighs represent the person will be very creative. Mole on the feet finger represent that the person will be having a very good love life and the married life. Do let me know in the comments about where you have a mole. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.